Are you wondering that despite having the right kind of knowledge in law, the case laws, the general awareness, your language paper, you are still struggling to crack that Judicial Services Examination? In this video, I will be sharing a valuable nugget to finally break through this barrier. Hi, my name is Kritika Singh. It's been over a decade that I have been helping and supporting students who are aspiring to crack Judicial Services Examination. And my mission is to help you understand that despite having the right knowledge, you might not be reaching your full potential because you need the right kind of strategies. Now imagine this is a cup. In this cup, you can put whatever contents you wish to add. You may add water, you may add hot chocolate, you may add coffee, you may add tea, whatever you like. No matter how tasty and delicious the content is, but if this cup has a crack or it is not sturdy to hold the contents, all the contents will come out. So the outer of the cup, I call it as context. So if the context is not sturdy, all the contents will come out. Similarly, while you're preparing for your Judicial Services Examination, no matter how good you are in your law, your case laws, your general studies, your language paper, you're very good, you have practiced a lot, you have practiced all your previous year's papers, you're well versed with your curriculum. But if you are not working on the context, that is the environment is very important. The right kind of attitude, the right kind of mental setup, the right kind of goal to deal with the panic attacks, to deal with that exam pressure, exam fear, to stay calm, to have correct values, to have correct principles right in the beginning, to manage your time. So if you're also working on this sphere, only then you will be able to crack that barrier. So it's very important to work on the contents and the context. If you found this valuable, go to the description box, click on the link. That link will take you to my website. And on the website, you will find a link which will take you to our community. And I have created a space where we help aspirants to not only master the contents, but also the context. And once you have joined our community, you will find more details regarding the contents and the context. Thank you for watching this video. Click on the subscribe and like button to follow for more videos like this.